types. Source code leap slash collections slash underscore init.py. This module implements specialized container data types, providing alternatives to Python's general purpose built-in containers, dict, dictionary, list, set, and frozen set. Tuple named tuple factory function for creating tuple subclasses with named fields. DQ list like container with fast appends and pops on either end. Fast appends and pops on either end. Chain map dict like class for creating a single view of multiple mappings. Single view of multiple. Counter dict a subclass for counting hashable objects. Ordered dict a subclass that remembers the order entries were added. Dict a subclass that calls a factory function to supply missing values. User dict wrapper around dictionary object for easier dict subclassing. User list wrapper around list objects for easier list substitution. User string wrapper around string objects for easier string subclassing. Chain map objects. A chain map class is provided for quickly linking a number of mappings so they can be treated as a single unit. It is often much faster than creating a new dictionary and running multiple update calls. The class can be used to simulate nested scopes and is useful in templating. Class collections.ChainMap pointer maps. A chain map groups multiple dicts or other mappings together to create a single updatable view. If no maps are specified, a single empty dictionary is provided so that a new chain always has at least one mapping. The underlying mappings are stored in a list. That list is public and can be accessed or updated using the maps attribute. There is no other state. Lookups search the underlying mappings successively until a key is found. In contrast, writes, updates, and deletions only operate on the first mapping. A chain map incorporates the underlying mappings by reference. So, if one of the underlying mappings gets updated, those changes will be reflected in chain map. All of the usual dictionary methods are supported. In addition, there is a maps attribute, a method for creating new subcontexts, and a property for accessing all but the first mapping. Maps, a user updatable list of mappings. The list is ordered from first search to last searched. It is the only stored state and can be modified to change which mappings are searched. The list should always contain at least one mapping. New child m is equal to none pointer key kwargs. Return a new chain map containing a new map followed by all of the maps in the current instance. If m is specified, it becomes the new map at the front of the list of mappings. If not specified, an empty dictionary is used so that a call to d.new underscore child is equivalent to chain map empty map empty dictionary comma pointer d.maps. If any keyword arguments are specified, they update past map or new empty dict. This method is used for creating subcontexts that can be updated without altering values in any of the parent mappings. Parents property returning a new chain map containing all of the maps in the current instance except the first one. This is useful for skipping the first map in the search. Use cases are similar to those for the non-local keyword used in nested scopes. The use cases also parallel those for the built-in super function. A reference to d.parents is equivalent to chain map pointer d dot maps 1 colon. Note, the iteration order of chain map is determined by scanning the mappings last to first. Baseline is equal to this, adjustment is equal to this, list chain map adjustment baseline. Copy. Okay, so let's create chain maps directory, collections, collections, and inside that let's create directory chain maps, and inside that example 1. So let's do the example. Chain map, import chain map, collections.ChainMap mutable. So here we have imported list chain map, that is L is equal to list chain map, and print L. Music, art, opera. Mm, this gives the same ordering as a music, art, opera. Adjustment baseline. This gives a starting with the last mapping. Combined baseline.copy combine.update adjustment list combined. Let's do with simple list. Combined is equal to baseline.copy combine.update adjustments list combine. So print L. Both have the same output. Okay. See also the multi-context class in the Anthod code tools package has options to support writing to any mappings in the chain. The Django context class for templating is a read-only chain of mappings. It also features pushing and popping of context similar to the new underscore child method and the parents property. The nested context recipe has options to control whether writes and other mutations apply only to the first mapping or to any mappings in the chain. A greatly simplified read-only version of ChainMap. ChainMap examples and recipes. This section shows various approaches to working with chained maps. Example of simulating Python's internal lookup chain. Import built-ins. Python PyLookup is equal to chain map locals globals vars built-ins. Example of letting user specified command line arguments take precedence over environment variables, which in turn take precedence over default values. Import os arg parse default is equal to color red user guessed. Parser is equal to parse dot argument parser dot add argument minus u hyphen user parser dot add argument minus c hyphen color name space parser dot parse args name space parser dot parse args command line args is equal to kv for kv in vars namespace dot items. Namespace dot items if v is not none. A combined is equal to chain map command line rs os dot environ and defaults print combined color. Okay, let's do this example. Example 2. Example 2. Import os or parse defaults is equal to color red user parse chain map collections.ChainMap namespace parse hours namespace print namespace. User is equal to none, color is equal to none. Okay, command line hours kb for kb in vars namespace dot items print vars namespace dot items. Namespace object head non attribute. Dict items user none, color none. If v is not none, v is not none. kb for kb in vars namespace dot items. Red and guest. Initial. Okay, maps and then empty map os dot environment defaults. Print combine. Chain map environment and defaults. star, comma 50. Okay. Key in dot keys, value key, space value. Combine key. Okay. Mhm. Now it will be look prettier. Or we can use the formatted string. For example, percentage s equal to percentage s, and here width is equal to 30. Okay, dot format key, comma combined key, and here it should be like in the bracket. Let's see first. Use without, correct. Now use okay. Example patterns for using the ChainMap X class to simulate nested context. C is equal to ChainMap create root context. D is equal to C dot new underscore child create nested child context. E is equal to C dot new child of C independent from D. E dot maps 0 current context dictionary like Python's locals. E dot maps minus 1 root context. E dot parents and closing context chain. like Python's non-workers. Example 3. Import collections.ChainMap from collections. Import ChainMap. e.maps 0. Print e.maps 0. That is current context dictionary like Python's defaults. Let's see. Okay. e.maps -1. e.maps -1. Root context like Python's globals blank. e.parents print e.parents chain map e.parents d of x is equal to 1 and print d of x, it will print 1. Now delete d of x, delete d of x and print list d. Empty k in d length of d dictionary flatten into a regular dictionary. Okay. Uh, the chain map class only makes updates, writes and deletions to the first mapping in the chain, while lookups will search the full chain. However, if deep writes and deletions are desired, it is easy to make a subclass that updates keys found deeper in the chain. Class deep chain map variant of chain map that allows direct updates to inner scopes. Div set item self key value for mapping in self.maps. If key in mapping of key is equal to value return self.maps 0, key is equal to value. Div delete item self key for mapping in self.maps. If key delete mapping key return raise key error d is equal to dependencies. Let's do the example. Chain map from collections import chain map. Okay, d is equal to deep chain zebra black elephant blue lion yellow. Update d of lion orange snake red. Delete elephant print deep chain map, zebra, black snake, red lion, orange. This is empathy.